Hey everyone, so I'm going to start a new series where I interview other tour guides around New York City just to kind of show you all what is out there. So today my first guest, I'm very happy about this, is Suzanne Reisman from Off the Beaten Subway Track Walking Tours. Did I get that right?
You got it.
Awesome. Okay. Now you can probably tell by her ears that she gives an off the beaten subway track walking tour. So Suzanne, would you mind explaining a little bit about the tour that you give?
Sure. One of the tours I give is called Garbage and Rats in New York City, and it is a deep dive into 400 years of sanitation history, from the first garbage dumps established by the Dutch to the first rats that arrived here also with the Dutch, and how we wound up from that to where we are today.
Awesome. Now, since you're talking about rats on the tour, that's kind of a strange and weird topic. What's one of the weirdest things that's happened on the tour?
The weirdest thing had, ironically, nothing to do with rats. But I was standing on the corner where we begin, talking to the group about these first garbage dumps from 1657. And this woman just comes up to us and she's like, "Can you help me?" And I was like, "Maybe." And she's like, "Okay, can you tell me where I parked my car?" And I was like thinking, probably not, but let's play a game. I'm like, "Where do you think you parked it?" And she describes 3 landmarks. And I was like, "Oh yeah, I can tell you where you parked your car. Just walk, make a left down Wall Street, make a right on William Street. You'll get to a plaza and your car is parked over there." And everyone in my group was like, "That just happened?" I'm like, "Yeah, that totally just happened." That was 100% the weirdest thing.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna need to know where you parked your car, probably ask a licensed tour guide.
What is something that guests that take your tour will come away with?
I think you will definitely have a deeper appreciation of why the city is the way it is today. And as bad as it is, we are so lucky to not have been living even 150 years ago, when corruption was so bad that basically our streets were lined with this filth called corporation pudding. And it was this mix of human and animal feces, rotting food, animals that had died in the street, because really until actually about the 1860s, there were about 20,000 pigs that also wandered around lower Manhattan just loose. Plus we had horses. It was inches thick and it was everywhere, including our higher income neighborhoods. Even they were really fighting to get rid of this.
Where can people find out more information about your tours and book them?
Yeah, so I have a website. It's offthebeatensubwaytrack.com, but I'm also on Viator and TripAdvisor. We do Garbage and Rats. We do a tour of sewage, sex, and sickness in the 5 Points. Yeah, you can see I've got a niche. And we do one on Unexpected Wall Street, which is slightly cleaner. So,
well, thanks everybody for joining. Please look up Suzanne, and yeah, take a tour about the rats.
Thank you so much for having me. This was really fun.
Thank you.
So.